Okay, here we are back on the porch again. Sorry about the lawnmower background, but we have industrious neighbors. What can I say? We have the fan and the remote. I'm going to start it out on high. Levi wanted another video of this because the light up stick is up there, the one he calls the E-stick, but also there are two deflated helium balloons, the Cardinals. Goes high, here comes low, medium, a Cardinals baseball balloon, and a gold balloon attached together. There's a bonus there. There's medium, there's low, and it's going to be a quick spin down here and off. The weight of the stick makes it go pretty slow. Levi chose banjo music today. We'll do one more spin down since we'll just go straight from high. Oh, now the remote doesn't want to work. The remote took a pretty good spin earlier. Oh dear. And there we go. Back to a spin down. And then Levi was hoping that maybe Toby could be in his video also. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. He doesn't really like to be videoed very much. Okay, have a great day. Bye, Toby.